Here is the script. Hey there, fellow gamers. Are you ready for an upgrade like no other? Today, we're putting the Skytech Gaming Nebula to the test, this behemoth of a gaming PC that's about to change your gaming experience forever. The first thing you notice when you lay eyes on the Nebula is its stunning design. The sleek black chassis and mesh front panel give it an edgy, high-end look that screams premium quality. This is no mass-produced machine. Skytech put their heart and soul into crafting a true masterpiece. And with its 1-year warranty and free technical support, you can trust that you're in good hands. Now, let's talk about the specs that make this gaming PC truly special. First up, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 3.8 GHz processor. What does that mean for you? In plain English, it means you get blazing fast performance, think smooth gameplay and lightning-quick loading times. The turbo boost kicks in when you need it most, taking this already potent processor to even greater heights. You can expect frame rates of over 60 FPS on even the most demanding games. Next, we have the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. This is where things get really exciting. With its 8GB GDDR7 memory and 6000 gaming memory with heat spreader, you'll be treated to stunning visuals that will transport you to another world. And with its advanced cooling system, you can expect minimal slowdowns or overheating issues, even during the most intense gaming sessions. But wait, there's more. The Nebula also comes equipped with 16GB DDR5 RAM and an impressive array of ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and USB 3.2 Gen 1. This means you can plug in your headset, connect to the internet, or transfer files without any hassle. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about power consumption? Don't worry, Skytech took that into account too. The Nebula's high-performance air cooler keeps things running cool and quiet, reducing energy bills while still delivering top-notch performance. So, what can you expect from this beast of a machine? For starters, it can handle some of the most demanding games out there at ultra settings. You'll be able to play Call of Duty, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, and more with crisp 1080p Full HD resolution and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. That's right, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite games in crystal clear detail without any lag or stuttering. But it's not just about raw power. The Nebula also boasts some incredible features that set it apart from other gaming PCs on the market. For instance, its built-in graphic output options allow for seamless connectivity with your monitor or TV. You can easily switch between HDMI and DisplayPort to find the perfect fit for your setup. And then there's the free gaming keyboard and mouse that come bundled with every Nebula purchase. These aren't just any ordinary accessories, they're top-notch gaming peripherals designed to enhance your overall experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, these extras will elevate your gameplay to new heights. So, is the Skytech Gaming Nebula worth it? Absolutely. With its unparalleled price-to-performance value and commitment to quality, this machine offers an unbeatable combination of power, design, and features. Don't settle for mediocrity when you can soar ahead with the cutting-edge Skytech Nebula series. Ready to experience gaming like never before? Check out the link below to get your hands on the Skytech Gaming Nebula at an unbeatable price.